My name is Thomas Fogden. I'm the director of TEnergise Limited. I'm a mechanical engineering student here at Swansea in my final year, and last year I did my year in industry as an entrepreneur. I set up the business selling renewable energy products to businesses and individuals throughout the UK, and I've been working on a prototype design which generates electricity in the home using wasted water. The prototype is a turbine that gets installed on the outlets of water pipes and generates electricity on the wasted energy. So my year in industry as an entrepreneur, it was really good to learn about business and the ins and outs of business. You do wear many hats. You are the IT guy, you are the marketing guy, you are also customer service, and you do have to speak to people on a day-to-day basis. But for me, I wouldn't have it any other way. The enterprise team gave me support throughout my year in industry. They gave me some financial support at the start. This helped me pay for my insurances and the website costs and just setting up. They also offered me, one-to-one support for any help that I needed, and we could discuss anything. I've enjoyed being in Swansea, and I've obviously enjoyed the lifestyle of Swansea. I learned how to surf here, and obviously Swansea is very beautiful, so it's nice to go around and go on different walks and things, see the different scenery. I've always been inspired to run my own business as a child. Both my parents are entrepreneurs and self-employed, so I've always wanted to start my own business and make my own money, and I've wanted to manage my own time. The product that I'm generating is a new concept of a renewable product, and it makes a difference to the world. It gives something back.